Hey, good morning folks, it's Ryan at Bell Camper Sales. Just wanted to shoot you guys a quick video of this 2022 Sportsman Classic 180 bunkhouse. We got a lot of specials going right now. Springtime's here. It's starting to warm up. People starting to hit the lake. So get out here and check out some of our inventory. We got more inventory right now than we've had all year long. So more than we had all last year as well. So come out and see us. I want to show you around this 2022 180 bunkhouse here real quick. This will sleep up to 5 people. It's under 3,000 pounds. So now note, this is a 360 video. Up there in the top right corner, you can spin around and kind of look at whatever you want to look at, or you can follow me around if you want. So let's kind of go through this here real quick and let me show you what we got here. So up front here, we've got the east-west bed. You've got storage over top. You've even got some storage underneath that bed there as well. Nice little hidden storage. Then you've also got your dinette here, breaks down to a bed, so you can sleep in another one right there. You got your kitchen over here. It's got a sink, 2-burner stove, microwave oven. In the back there, behind the camera, you've got your double bunk, so these will sleep one person a piece, up to 250 pounds a piece on them. This is also equipped with a 12-volt refrigerator, so basically just hooked up to your truck, running down the road. This thing's going to stay nice and cold for you. Also has the freezer compartment to it as well. So let's jump back into the bathroom and see what we got back there. Alright folks, well now we're here in the bathroom. So you've got the removable shower head there. It's got a nice toilet with it. Not much storage back here, but you've got storage up in the main rest of the cabin there. So this is a great spot. I'm almost 6 foot tall and I got plenty of room here. So plenty of room for you to do what you need to do, get in and out real quick, clean up. Like I said, come see us down at Bell Camper Sales on Highway 75, guys. We're down here in between Bartlesville and Dewey. Come see us, we'll get you camping.